Is there really a law of attraction? Or is it merely another feel-good idea? The truth is, yes, there is a law of attraction. But not in the way many assume. In fact, the question almost answers itself, as only those genuinely intrigued and attracted by this topic would watch this video until the end. The law of attraction isn't magic, nor is it luck. It's not simply about wishing fervently, and it certainly does not replace effort. It simply makes it easier. Yet, it's impossible to overlook its seemingly extraordinary effects when desires and intentions gain momentum. It is a natural structure within our consciousness, awakened and sustained by desires. It is a law because it's perpetual, and it is perpetual because our hearts perpetually desires. When your thoughts, emotions, and inner identity align around a specific outcome, you create a structure and the law of attraction swings into motion immediately. This framework inherently guides you toward paths perceived as beneficial for achieving that goal, and faithfully pulls you away from any path perceived as an hindrance. Thus, it is not merely a law of attraction, it is indeed the law of attraction and repulsion. Perception plays a vital role here. That which is seen as similar is drawn to oneself. The law of attraction doesn't draw you to anything. However, it ensures you feel the attraction towards perceived benefits. What you like forces you to like whatever is perceived to be like it. That which is likened to itself is drawn. This obviously applies to money, rewards, or any store of value. Money is more than just paper. It's an idea. Each idea possesses its own structure that gives it validity. If your structure supports wealth, then you will attract it. But this is almost like saying nothing. However, it is quite useful to hear it. Because, if your structure supports wealth, then you will attract it. Not hopefully but surely, not luckily but because it is law. You don't get money because you want it. Wealth isn't obtained merely because you desire it. You attract it because your internal structure permits it, and your external actions supports it. You create an environment where wealth is anticipated and embraced, regardless of any challenges. So yes, the law of attraction is indeed real. It operates every minute, every second, consistently, and it is actionable. You can intentionally shape it through the practice of deliberate creation. Since attraction depends on perception, perception must be sharp and can be deliberately orchestrated. This is structuring. Restructure. Act. Then you redefine what flows into your life, including money or other forms of value. Thank you for watching. In our next video we will go into structures, negative and positive structures. Anticipate.